So you want to download the game Misery on your PC without overspending? Don't worry, in this video I will cover how to download this game without overspending through official platforms completely legally. So don't worry, we are going to search this game up at Steam and then we will continue to the next website to download it. Go to the Steam website, quickly search up the game Misery and don't waste too much time. Scroll down and you will find the game Misery for €8.77. But don't worry, we have a little workaround to save yourself a bit of money while downloading games. What you need to do is go to the video description, click on the link where it says find game here. Then we can search up the same game on this website, Misery. Then select the games on the left side, sort by price lowest first, and you will find a PC version which can be activated in our country. So make sure this text is marked green and then select it. Once you have opened the game page, you will find out that we can already download this game for just €7.61 compared to the Steam price of €8.77. Once you have purchased this game on this website, you will receive an email confirmation with all the steps to follow, including an activation key for Steam or a completely new legit Steam account to download this game on your PC. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I would love to see you in our next gaming tutorial. Cheers guys, bye bye!